Okay, so I'm gonna be building this restaurant app, as you can see right here. Has a nav bar with a drop down like this. When we scroll down, nav will turn black. We over these turns white. When we go too far down, it'll disappear. And right here, we got different selections of food. So it's pretty cool. And then we got a reservation section. And it works on mobile, works on all devices, as you can see. Okay, I just created a React app, and now we go inside the source, and we can remove all the stuff that we don't need. App test.js, and all of these pretty much. You don't need any of that. And then we can delete all of this. And we can put a fragment in here. Save it. We could delete this web vitals. And the import. And then when we start it up, it should work. Okay, we gotta delete the app.css. And there we go, now it's working. We wanna go back to the source. New folder, call this components. Another one called styles. Inside this component, I'm gonna make a new JS file. Call this navbar. I'm actually gonna use JSX. Then we're gonna save it, come to the app. With the nav bar. And now it displays. Let me actually fix this because I spelled this wrong. It's components. Should update it. Okay, it's not gonna update it. Just go to the app and fix this. There we go. Okay, we want to go to the nav bar and put a fragment. Fragment is just like an empty container, kind of like that, or you can just put a div. This fragment looks a lot better in my opinion, so I'm gonna use fragment. And I'm actually going to download style components. Now, since we got style components, I'm gonna go to styles, new styles, and call this nav bar style.js. So all my components is going to be JSX, and all my styles is going to be JS, because it just looks cleaner like that in my opinion. So, and now we're going to import styled from style components, and we're going to call this nav container equals styled dot div, and then we're going to export nav container, save that, and then import the nav container from, we go out to, go to styles and navbar styles. I'm gonna save that. No errors. And I'm just gonna make the navbar now. I'm gonna call this logo because where the logo gonna be at. And then we can put a span up in this logo. And then we have an HR for the bottom. It should make like a little thing at the bottom. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna put the span at the bottom. Then we're gonna have a class name selection. This will be the whole like selected options up here. I'm gonna go back to the styles. I'll make one more, and I'm gonna call this arrow down for the drop down menu. And now we got an arrow down, and we can just put a tag, href, all. I'm gonna call this home, and there we go. Href. Okay, get rid of this. You just gotta put something in the href. I'm just gonna put a 1. And then I'm gonna have another a tag with the href of 2 with the all menu, I believe. Then we go outside the div. We'll make another one. You all this table. This will be when you like click at the table to make a reservation. And the A tag, H ref. And we'll just do one again because we don't want to get that warning. And then find the table. Okay, so this is what we got so far. I'm gonna try to zoom in so y'all can see it more. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the styles and display flex, and then justify content space evenly. Space evenly will pretty much evenly space it, if that makes any sense. Around would put this right here and put the find table like not at the end. And then align items center. See? And then color, have it white. Actually, I'm not gonna have it white yet because background's white. Inside of the arrow, we could display flex again. And then flex direction, column, position, relative. And then on a hover, this is pretty much every time you hover over this, we'll make the cursor pointer, even though it already is, but just to make sure. And animation, duration, we have it in 1 second. And then color, all right, it's gonna be this orange color. You can't really see it yet because we don't have the arrows yet, but we'll get to that in a second. But get to the A tags. We could pretty much do the same thing right here. Now you see again orange when we hover. Inside of this nav container, since we have it wrapped around everything, we could just grab the A tag from there because it's wrapped around it. So hey, we got font size 1.3 rem. 1 rem is equal to 16 pixels. And then text decoration should be set to none. Now remove the underline, and we got the letter spacing to 1.5 pixels around there. And then color, we just do white. Oh yeah, you can't see it again, hold on. But there we go. See, it's working. And then we could just do the table. So the table is this one right here. Right here. So a dot for class, table. The A tag, this is wrapped in an A tag. And then background color. This one right here. There we go. Then we got a border radius. There's the border. See how 10 looks. That's too much. 6 is perfect. Adding. Let's do 10, 15. So 10 from top and bottom, 15 left and right. Okay. Let me actually make this 20. That looks better. And then a cursor pointer, even though it's already doing it, but just to make sure it's doing it. And you have a hover. Transition, duration, 0.5 seconds. Okay, I don't know why I did that. And then background color, white. So when we hover on this, it should change the background color in 0.5 seconds. And then we want to change the color of the font. And so we got a little animation going. You can't really see it because the background is white. Here, hold on. Make sure I have no padding in here. Just double check. There we go. Now we can undo these. Now we're going to do this right here, the logo. This right here. Actually, it should be a span and a span. That makes sense. So like, I'm gonna do an H2 right here. And then call this byte. And then I'm gonna wrap this in a span. And then another span. And then we call this. So I'm looking at my other screen. The design, rest. Oh, right. Guys, this doesn't have to be in a span. There we go. And then we go back over here. And look for logo. That's what I called it, right? Yeah. And then go at H2 for these two right here. And then We have margin 0, font size 2 rem, so 16 times 2, like 32, I think. And word spacing to 50 pixels. And then display flex puts on a line. And now we want this restaurant to go over there. Justify content center. I didn't do anything. Just move back. We got the ID of Byte. And then the rest. Alright. And then we could change this to the color, not columns. There we go. And then for the span, for these spans right here, we got display flex, justify center. I love using Flexbox, as you can see. And then font size 1 rem, which is pretty much default, I think, 16 pixels. And there we go. Now this is in the middle. Okay, now we want the HR. So the HR is pretty much this right here. We could just type in HR to get it. They don't need an ID. And we could just change the opacity to 0.4. Okay, I don't know why it made me do a calculator, but to calculate it. So that should like make it darker, as you see. It's darker. This is it. This is it at full. And this is it darker. And looks like there's a little margin between it, so I'll put that as a 0. Oh, yeah, there we go. And then we could do this right here. The selection. I think I called it selection. Let me see. Yeah, selection. And just display flex like always, because I love using display flex. And justify content and not center. Space between. Alright, I'm back. I'm stupid. I was sitting here for like 2 minutes. This is inside of the let's go up, put this full screen. This is inside the logo. Should be by itself. And then that should work. There we go. I was stuck there for like 2 minutes. So simple. Okay. Here's the code. The styling. You guys need to look at it. Back up a little. This will be on GitHub. I will upload it this time. But now we're about to go to the drop menu. So go back to source, new file. We call this drop down, and then we call this drop down.js. The reason why I'm not calling it a JSX is because it looks sloppy, because it's about like export into here. You'll see. So I'm gonna import use state from React and then export. Well, you can export it at the bottom, but you do it like this. A function is equal to, not use state, my bad. And I'm gonna have, we call this drop down, and then set drop down use state, and then we're gonna put this into an object because we're gonna have more than one value in here. So the function, but it's false. Then we have a page option, false, and false. Then a menu option, false, and then shop option, false, and log option, false. Now it's gonna be false. Now it's gonna be all of these. All of these are equal to false, pretty much. So this is the part where most of y'all are gonna leave. It's just a little complicated if you don't understand it. We're gonna have a toggle home option as a function, and then we're going to set drop. We go to an object, and then we're going to spread it out. We're going to spread out the drop down. And home option is going to be set to true. And we're going to do this all for all of these. Toggle page option, toggle menu option, and toggle shop option. Log option. Then we set this page option, menu option, shop option, and log option. So pretty much just spread it out. Spreading the drop down, which is this. So pretty much it's turning this into something like that. Spreading the whole object out. And it's going for the first one in this case, and it's turning it to true. And then we have a return. And we're going to return all of these. So drop down and all the toggles. Then we could go to the navbar. Oh, that was just JS, my bad. This navbar right here. And then you want to import. And we call this, what do we call it? Use dropdown. Use dropdown from, we gotta go back one. Dropdown. Alright. So pretty much we're getting this from here. We're getting this function. We exported it. And then we want a const. Oh, we gotta do it inside the function, my bad. Const. And then use dropdown. We're gonna want to grab pretty much all of this. All the stuff we exported from here. And now we have everything over here inside of here. We're getting a warning because we're not using it. So if we scroll down here to this first one, the home, right here, if we go to on mouse enter, which pretty much as soon as we hover over it, pretty much once the mouse hovers over it on enter, we can make a new function inside of this. Okay, I don't know why I did that. And toggle home, we can pretty much just call toggle home. Actually, we just do it like that for now. And now, if I go inside of here, if toggle home is true, two ands, is true. So I'm gonna print out true, what is true. Hold on. We got to call this one a good word now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll put true in here, and then on mouse leave. I'm gonna call this false, and then come right here, and call this home. Have this equal to the opposite of home. Okay, I found the issue. I was supposed to check to see if the drop down that home option is true, not the toggle home option, because the toggle home option is the function. We're supposed to check if this is true or false. So yeah. So pretty much, I'm calling toggle home option when it's hovered, and I'm turning it to true. So every time this is hovered, it's turned to true, and every time it's true, it displays this. When it leaves, it turns into false, which is no longer true, so it doesn't display this. And now we just copy this. And we can put it inside of here. Just change this to pages. No pages. And then from here, there's a page. I can home. I can paste. And then page. There we go. So I'm recording. I go to the rest. Menu. Menu. Shop. Walk. Walk. Come here. Tap this. And change pages to menu. Change this to shop. And last one, change to walk. And now it's all morning. And my morning. I'll be next later on. Now what we could do is actually make the drop down menu. So if this is true, we have a div with the class name of what we call this dropped, which is dropped. And then I gotta look at the design again. Okay. Then we have a span of home. And then a tar. Another span. I'm actually gonna have another div wrapped around this div and just call it home. And there we go. Okay, I'm done. Now we get all the options. Pretty cool. Now we just want to style it. So, styles. Okay, we're still in the nav container, so we can grab it from the nav container. Let me go all the way down. All right, we have to put that down a little more. So pretty much, we gotta put this down pretty much. So actually, just let me grab all these real quick. I'm gonna show you why we have to put 2 divs instead of 1, unless you're using like a library or something like that. Help you out. But with pure CSS, you have to put 2 when you make a drop down. Well, you probably don't have to, but it's the only way I know. So yeah, I think blog. So color, change that to white. So now that white. And we change the background color to pretty much black. This changes it for all of it, by the way. As you see. I know it's popping up slowly, one-on-one. Like multiple of these are showing up. I'll fix it in a second. It's actually a pretty easy fix. Margin, top 20 pixels. I should move it down, as you see. Padding, 10 pixels up and down and 0 left and right. And the width, that should be good. Okay, if you want that cool border thing, you just need border top and border bottom. Then you want it to be this color right here, 2 pixels solid, and then border bottom, this color, 2 pixels solid. Okay, we don't have it for the top for some reason. Oh, spelled solid wrong. There we go. Now you got that cool little border stuff. Now to fix all these popping up at once, like that, doesn't look so cool. To fix it, just go to drop down. And you just need an if statement or a switch, but if would be easier. So if drop down dot shop is true and drop down dot blog is true, or alright, so this is pretty much saying if show option, shop option is true, and then blog is true with it, we want to disable that. We want to turn it to false. So pretty much we get set drop down menu, object, use this object, and then we want to spread drop down. We're spreading this, and then we want home option to be, we pretty much want this, so everything back to false. So now we won't get it again. Okay, I don't know why this isn't going down. Let me see. Oh, pages. There we go. I think I did something wrong. Oh, Supposed to do one more, my bad. That should fix the issue. I'm doing something wrong. Hold on. Oh, thank you, pages. My bad. It's the same one. No. Yeah, this pages. This pages. That's it, right? Okay, should be working now. Let's check. Alright, it's working right from left, but it's not working left from right. See, page is not showing up when I hover. So this is too big. Let me put this to 90. And then there we go, it's working now. Now we got a drop down menu. And then on hover, on the links, the A tags, we want color to be equal to that. Where the A's? No, that's span tags, my bad. There we go. Transition, duration, 1 second. Now if I put this to 10, it should take 10 seconds to change. Yeah, you can see it slowly changing. So about 0.5 should be good. That's too slow. 0.35. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now we want to make a new terminal. So install icons. Okay, I'm gonna take this icon right here, click on it, should copy it, close this out. We gotta import it. And it should be the 2 letters in the beginning, whatever you import. There we go. Now we got it at the bottom. You see it right there. Make it a little bigger. Actually, I'll give it the ID of arrow. And now we got an arrow for all of these. So these are in like a column, so we go inside of this right here. And we just delete this, it should be default. Put it in a row. It's already turning the arrow orange when you hover over it, but I just want to do it again just to make sure. So, cursor pointer. You don't have to do this right here, but I'm doing it, so. Let's go outside the hover. And then make a position absolute. Put it down by 15 pixels. No, position relative, hold on. About 3 pixels look good. Turn left. 20 pixels. C5. Yeah, we can make this bigger. It's looking good, but it's taking too long for it to hover, so I don't know why I got that in 5 seconds too long. There we go, it's a lot faster. It's a lot better. Now we can make this full screen. Try to scoop this over. So right about at 1,000, I want this to disappear and turn it like a tablet/mobile. So we can do a media query. And then we display none. And that disappears when we get to 1,000, and it reappears when we go past 1,000. So what we can do is make tablet and mobile view. And then we can put it right here. Now this will be the tablet view. So if I put hello, we put that in the string. See, we hello. We just add a background color, so it's good. And now we got it in the center. So it'll always be in the center. You can remove this. It broke down because it's, we'll fix that in a minute. We're gonna want this hello to disappear when these appears. We pretty much change this to a minimum. There we go, disappear. And it reappears when we get down here. So we gonna side the nav bar and we can make it a div, last name, painter, mobile. And then make another div. Last name of mobile icon. Then we can make two divs. Side. We call this circle. And right out here, one more div. Last name, mobile, icon, two. I'm gonna put this inside of here. I know there's a lot of divs inside of here, but pretty much these are going to be the two circle icons that's going to display on mobile. So we can save this, copy this, and first we'll do circles. And what width about 15, height 15. The background color is equal to the D5903. And then I can see about this to change. There we go. They don't look different because they're all collapsed in one. But you can change the border radius to 50%. 50%, you should see the difference a little. Yeah, there we go. And then got margin top about 5 pixels and margin bottom about 5 pixels. And that's it, I think. You can display lights on here. And then we got, see if we already got one. No, we don't. So we got the cursor pointer. So we hover the cursor. And we could transform. And then rotate. I'm gonna turn this, see what point looks like. Nope. These margins are kind of messing it up for some reason. I'm doing something wrong here. Let me try both of these. Oh, there we go. That took me a minute, but Okay, now we got a mobile button that's working. I shouldn't have used the fix with. Let me see if I can use signage with. Yeah, it's much better. If I would have just stayed with the fixed width like this, it would always stay 500 pixels. And it will move the logo away. Okay, how to fix this button from getting smaller, from shrinking, like that, keeps going down. We just gotta go to the button. I think I call it table. Yeah, I need a table. And then have a width of maybe 170 pixels. No, maybe 200. $250? Okay, $250, I guess. Let's just go down a little more. Okay, 210. And then we got a media query. Max width. Font size 1 rem. There we go. Get a little smaller. 1.5. And then now we actually will make the nav bar work when we click on it. It's not doing anything as we click on it right now, so. I'm going to the app, and then I'm going to const, and I'm going to call it mobile view. Set mobile view, and use a use state, and I'm going to put this to false. I'm going to pass set mobile view to this component. Use state is not. Okay. There we go. Okay, everything's working. And then I'm gonna call it in here. And then it's gonna be the container mobile. On click, make a function inside of here, pop as, and then since I only passed one through here, I could just pass the other one Like I could pass mobile view and just be like, I just like opposite of mobile view. I didn't pass it, so I'm just gonna do current. They go to opposite of current. It's pretty much like saying the same thing as the opposite of mobile view, but it's the right way to do it. So let's work. And we're gonna want to create a new nav, a new component, new file. We'll call this phone nav options, and then we just use RCF, and we could just let me delete this. We put a fragment like I usually do, and then set options, and then like use state with the object, and then we got home, that's a false, pages, walls, menu, walls, shop, walls, and log walls. So this will be like the nav on mobile. So when we click on this, it should pop up beside the nav options for mobile. So we can make a new styles, which is our component. So new file, and I'm gonna call this phone style.js. And import style components. Make it const. I'm gonna call it container phone. It's gonna be equal to style div container. Then export container. Import phone container. Go out to directories, components, not components, styles. Should be no errors. Okay, and look at this in here. Office, exit, container. And we're gonna need to make an arrow thing, so let me try to find the icons. I'm gonna be using this one right here. Just copy it, and then import from stock components on React icons / the 2 starting letters and icon, so AI, and then there we go. Should have one. Oh, can I set it up? Yeah, hold on. I ain't hook it up to the app. Use state is not. For some reason, my React is not applying use state in the React. So. Okay, that's working. That's weird. So, go back to app. I'm gonna pass this through with it, so I can use it. And then, I'm gonna change the font size. It's not big, it's usually small, so probably like 30. But I'm gonna change this to false. So when I have this all set up, when this X is clicked, it will disable the nav option. So now we can do everything else. We have an unordered list. And we call this home. Oh, not in it. Then we got a whole bunch of spans. So like kind of like what we did with the navbar for desktop. We're gonna put that in the sidebar for phones. So I'm gonna actually put this in a div and with a class name of dropper or dropped. So when you click it, it'll drop it. So we do the same thing. Okay, now that we got everything, we just put this back to a mobile screen, and we go back to the main file, the app.js, and we can say if mobile view is true, we can use two and signs, then just put this in. So if it's true, it will display it. So if I change this to true, it should display it. Yeah, you see it? It's just black. We'll change it in a minute. But let me just change that down, just so we can see it. So yeah, that's what we got. We click this, it should change it to false. There we go. So basically, this is saying, I go back to app. If the mobile view is true, it's display. If it's false, I click this, it turns false. So display the none. That's because of this. The unclick. Okay, now we go to the styles, phone styles, and I'm gonna position fix this, which means no matter how much you scroll down, it'll be fixed. Not doing the change right now, but I'm gonna change the background color to green for right now. There we go. Do top 0. And let's do left 0. Okay, now right. Right there. And then we got a height of 100 view height with a width of 180 pixels. There we go. And then we put a Z index, which means this will go over it no matter what. So setting this to 1000 means that this will pop out pretty much over the button and everything else that goes over it. But the index and this exit container, and we can have a display of flex, and then we could use the background color of this real quick. Okay, we could just justify content to end, and then we could margin top it to give it a little room with 10, or we just margin it and top 10, 0 times, I think it's like that. No. Yeah, it's like that. There we go. And then that's it for now. So we can take this. Called it dropped. So this will be the drop down menu. So display flex again, because I love using Flexbox. Flex direction column, and then we could take the unordered list, and then we can have a cursor pointer, and then I think it's list. Oh yeah, list style. So we can set that to none. I wonder why this shop still has it on. Okay, we can use LI in here because it's inside of there. Display, flex direction. We get back to a row. Margin top, 15 pixels. Cursor pointer again. There we go. And then we can also have list styles. Done. I should have took away this. There we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure I did something wrong here. Oh, because I have unordered list only in those ones. It needs to be in everyone. My bad. And then we just delete this. There we go. And now we gotta try to work in that part. We actually don't have to put it in here. We could go right here. It's start of the icon and type in cursor. Maybe capital P. There we go. That's a pointer. I don't think we need these brackets, so get that out. No, we don't. Okay. And now we have a working nav bar for mobile. Okay, I grabbed an icon I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna import it. There we go. Done. Did not mean to do that, my bad. But I'm gonna put it in all these LIs. Okay, now oh no, it should be down. My bad. To change this to down. Grab the wrong one on accident. We down. So good. There we go. Now we got down arrows on that, so font size. I'm gonna give them color. So color. That's that orange color. Now some orange. There we go. And then go back to the styles. The LI, I believe. Yeah. I'm gonna give this an ID. Call it drop arrow. Follow drop arrow and then position, relative, pop. There we go. Maybe like 3. Okay, I think that's good. We can change the font size to there we go. Actually, we want the font size to be in the list. And then this one can be 5, a little smaller. 1.13. You can also put the color here to the exit color. So we got that working, and so now we're gonna use the list that we made, the useState object, not list, my bad, but the object of the useState inside of the home. So right about here, and want to on-click new function and set options. And we're good. Inside here we use retrieve option. That's just creating. It's basically using this, but actually creating a new variable and just copying it. But and then come in here, come inside the object and spread the previous option. Like I said, it's pretty much like using the option. It's like a copied version of the option with a different name. So it's pretty much spreading this into one line. And then we can change the home to the opposite of retrieve option and dot home. So just toggling this on and off. This is pretty much saying on click, set the useState to a copied of option, spread the copy, go to home, which is this, and put in the opposite of the home. That makes any sense. Then we come right here. If options dot home is true, so 2 and signs and still shall drop down. And then we get no more warnings because we use that. But there we go. And now we have a drop down. Pretty cool. But now we're gonna do it to the rest. Play. Now we should have one. They should all be working now. Refresh. Yeah, the arrows are working, but these aren't. So okay, not responsive. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I kind of put this in the arrow. I meant to put it in the list. I'm stupid, so let me change it. Yeah, this is taking a long time to load. There we go. I don't know what's taking so long, but now the arrows and everything is working. Okay, so I realized what I did wrong. I was not supposed to add the spread operator to here, like that. Because if I add it back, to all these again, and I click on these, it won't close. When I click onto another one, it won't close. We gotta close it manually. So we gotta delete the spread operator. Because the spread operator makes a new object, pretty much. Inherits the properties of this one. So when we delete it, we're actually using the options. See, we're only showing this if the pages is true. But if we use a spread, it's making a whole new object that inherits. It's pretty much a copy of this, but it's different. So now it should work. Yeah, there we go. And then we do a span inside of here. And hover. Let me go back over here and just copy this. There we go. Now we hover over it. We get the color change. I'm gonna have a transition 1 second. So in 1 second it changes, so put that 0.4 seconds. And there we go. We could do the same thing for this. It's an LI, so. And I'm gonna do the same 4 seconds, or 0.4 seconds. And then there we go. And now I'm gonna find an icon, point this up as it's closing, so. Okay, so I got an icon. I'm just gonna put it in here. There we go. And then we're just gonna say if options. Okay, I don't know why I made me do that. Hold on. If options.home is true, then we got the drop down thing. If not, then we'll have this. Okay, I got it backwards. Hold on. There we go. And we can just copy. That's fine. There we go. There. Okay. There we go. We'll fix the selection thing. Where you see it like covering like the blue of the thing. Fix that in a minute. I can't copy this for some reason. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna make it a little smaller though. It looks too big. So maybe like 33. There we go. It's better. And then to stop it from selecting, we're just gonna go right here. Go into user selection and then there you go, you can't select it anymore. And then we can change this background color. Let me change it to blue real quick so I know I'm getting the right one. Yeah. And I'm gonna change this to black. But I'm gonna use the RGBA color. And 0.8. You can't really see it because the background is black. But let me try to change this. Index. My computer's being a little slow, so. Oh, because I don't have comma right here. And there we go. The reasoning behind this right here, the RGBA color, you can't really use the hex, at least I don't know. But you have like a opacity background. Like if I would have just did opacity and put this to 0, you wouldn't be able to see the whole container. See, the whole container disappears. But with RGBA, you can like use the opacity on the background color, which is pretty cool. So okay, there's 2 more things we could do for this navbar, the actual navbar that I forgot to do. So we close out of this. We're done with that. Close out of this. We're done with that. We could change the background. Background color. And we're gonna do another RGBA 000, which is black. 0.32. And there we go. And then okay, this comes out by default, so do something wrong here. froze again. Okay, we can set this to false. And now it should stop coming out by default. There we go. My computer's acting slow. Might have to reset it in a minute. But now we got an animation. When we refresh this, it's going like slowly come in. So we have a styled dot keyframe. And I don't think I have to export it because I'm gonna use it here. It's kind of weird, but we'll go from opacity 0 to opacity 1, just so it can fade in, and then copy this, go right here, add an animation, add bracket, and put this in here, put a name, and 1 second, and we'll have ease in and out. Okay, we have to use this because in style components we use like regular JavaScript, so you have to put the $sign, or whatever, and save it. And now oh, it's keyframes. And that should work. Okay, for some reason it's not putting this up here by default, so keyframes. Okay, maybe I do need to export this. Oh, I don't think I put style. It's not style. Oh, there we go. Now we get the animation. We refresh. It's like that slow fade in, which is pretty cool. Next, we're gonna get the whole main. So we're done with the nav pretty much. Actually, no, we're not. There we go. Put that to like 50 maybe. 30, 40. Yeah, 40 looks good. I just noticed one thing. I'm gonna fix this. Kind of looks a little like cramped. So I want to have an HR with border color. This is the HR. These are pretty much borders. Call it borders. HR. RGBA again because we want to make the opacity on it. And 0.3. There we go. And then now we're gonna move this over a little, so maybe adding left. There we go. Wait, 15. Yeah, looks better. I'm gonna make this a little shorter. It seems like it's taking a long time. There we go. Much better. Got back again. Looking at the design again. We want these to be over here, but not the HR. So let me delete this padding. And we're just gonna do spans. So Done. We're gonna have a padding. 15. And then there we go. Much better. Okay, now we can do like the main section. Main, like right here. So I'm just gonna close all this because we don't need any of these open except for the app.js. And I'm going to components, like a new component, and we can call this main. What would you say? Home main.jsx. RCFE for default, everything. And then we make a new style called home main.js. I always call it JS, so I can separate it. Looks more cleaner in my opinion. And then just type in style. It's just import style component. And then const, what do we call this? Container style. Oh my bad. Div export container. And then I'm gonna put anything in here yet because we could import. No idea why that happened, but we could import container from back styles and homemade. And I'm not gonna use a fragment this time, but you could if you want to wrap everything in a fragment. But since we use a style component, we can wrap it in a container from here. It's really just a div, makes it look cleaner. So like, that's why I like using style components. But then we have a main. It's gonna be the main section, so I'm just gonna put main in here. You don't have to, but do as you please. And then we have an HR with a line. Put that backwards. And then we have a div with the class name moving across. This will be the thing moving across in the main section as we said before. And like, we don't even need nothing in this div because it's gonna be empty, just moving. So and then we have an H1 and then you have a BR for space to break it, and an H1 for ID of. And then the reason why we're separating these two is because I'm gonna change the color of the second word with the ID of word. And then the class name, and then we have these buttons. And then we have a button, two buttons. My bad, my computer's acting stupid. But view more, and then this one's gonna be with the ID view. This one's ID of. Oh, we need a main. Oh no, we gotta get the main down here. That's really all we need. Go to the app, and then come right here. We literally type in home main. It'll put it in for us. Awesome. And then save. If my computer can stop freezing, there we go. And there we go. We got all of this. Pretty cool. Okay. Then we're gonna change styling a little. Container. Then we're gonna turn this to white. White is just F2, F2, F2. See that a little better. Then we have a height of around 850 pixels. You won't be able to see that change, but when we put the background in, you'll see why I did that. But and then I'm not gonna change the font yet, but text uppercase. No, I think it's text transition. Uppercase. Yeah, I think so. Alright, I got the image. Go and drag it in here. There we go. This is the image right here. And next time I'm not gonna put it in here. I'm gonna come back to this. And this app.js, we're gonna make a new style. And actually, no, I'll just put it in the nav bar. It's gonna come from the nav. So I'll put it in the nav style. And import main image Where we at? Okay, go out one. Then go out again, I'm guessing. Yeah, there we go. Then we got desktop. And I just want to make a whole new const image background and call this styled div. And background image URL and so I call it main image. Module not found or something. Because we have to do it like JavaScript, not like React. Yeah, you gotta put the you gotta wrap it around brackets and the sign. This should work. Okay, still not working. That's weird. Confused, I was not finding it. Maybe if I just take this out. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna make a new component and just call this, or a new file, not component, a new folder and call this images. And then put that inside that image. Boom, and then go out one to the image. And there we go. It's a kind of a weird error, but now close this. App, import. And then we can just tap both the nav bar and the menu, or the home menu. Hold on. Oh, the snap. Should be displaying. Let's just do the width. Okay. And height 100 UI. Oh, maybe because the green is going over it. My bad. Nope. It's not there. Oh, they're using background color. I'm stupid. Ah. Not sorry. There we go. Load. Now it's working. Now you delete this width and stuff because maybe you get a scroll and you don't want to scroll. Pretty much never want something like that. And we can do background. Repeat. Set that to no repeat. Then background. Size. Color. And now we got like, we don't want it to come all the way down here. We're changing that. So yeah, the way we change this, so I'm going all the way down like that, is closing this. We can delete this because we don't need the green anymore. And then we could just have it set to how far we want it to go down. So I gotta look at it again. We gotta go farther, like 600 maybe. Okay, 570. Oh no, okay, we're gonna do max screen first. Alright, okay, 850 is good. So since we're on this home and we haven't wrapped around this image will only go as far as the this component goes. So we set to 850, so this image will stop at 850 pixels because this home is 850. If that makes any sense. But what did we do? We have a background color, RGBA again. Set to black, and then I think 2 looks nice. It's a change. It's a simple change. If I put this back to 0, like it's the background. Oh my bad. That's a little darker. It's a little darker. I want the nav bar to be a little darker. That's why I changed the nav bar to like a 0.3, 0.4 to have it stand out more. And with this, these words will stand out. It's darker in the back. And what else can I do? Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the buttons right now. Did I call it buttons? Capital B. Capital B. And have a margin left to separate them. Yeah, and separate. Maybe I can margin right, separate. Oh no, this is the container. We're just gonna move this to the left a little. And then you have a width of 450 pixels. And then display flex. And then justify content space around. And what this will do is pretty much set the width to 450, which is like right here. And then space around separate the buttons. Yeah. And flex direction of the row. You don't have to, just default on the row, but I like doing it just in case. I might not need this. I'm gonna talk about it right now. But and then we get to the main section with the main. And I called it main because it's main. And we have a height of 90% of this. And then we got a display flex. Like always, I love using Flexbox. So, and then if we just display flex like this, it'll put everything in a row. I think. Yeah, there we go. Put everything in a row. Don't want that. So flex, direction, then they'll be back to normal. And we just want to justify in the center. Just move it to the center. There we go. And align center. Now we got it right in the middle. Awesome. And then we take span. This right here, the span. We do it inside the main because everything is wrapped up in the main. And we make the font size bigger, 1.8 rem. There we go. And that's it for now with the span. And we go to HR. You can't really see it because can you see it? You can't see it. Make it what you could. We got a width of 380 pixels with padding, so you could see the height. For some reason with HR, you can't use height, so then border color, because it's a border, it's not a background. We will set this to D. I had to save somewhere. Right here. There you go. Now you can see it. And we have a border radius of 20 pixels. There we go. And we just change this here. The background color to this. We're most likely going to change this with the animation, but for right now, you'll see it like that. And then we're done with the HR. And then, what do I call it? Moving across. This will be the thing that moves back and forth. So, width 40 pixels, height 55 pixels, and border radius 8 pixels. And we got background color right now. Let's put this white so we have an animation for it. But you see it, it's like that, pretty cool. And what else do we have? Okay, H1. Did I do an H1 yet? No, I didn't. Alright. I'm gonna put that right here. So at the top. And we got the font size. 3.5 rem, 1 rem is 16, so 16 times 3.5. That's pixels. We got a word spread, or word space on the left. We'll just spread out the letters. Where's the letter spread? or letter space. I don't remember, but we can use both. There we go. And then I think I got word. Yeah. So this is the word right here. And we have a display, flex, and let me see the background color, see how big the width is. So okay, it's perfect. So we can just literally two-center this. We just justify content. We get to the center. Awesome. And then okay, that's too close. I think there's a margin by default, so margins, you know. There we go. It's much better. And color. Okay. Sorry, looking a little better. What's gonna do? Okay, let's do buttons. So this was the div button. Okay, it's view and food. What's view capital? And cursor, pointer is for the button. You know, I think it's default like that, but and then adding. We got 20 pixels, top and bottom, and 52 left and right. And then we have a border radius of like 10. Yeah. And border of none. There's a small border. They took it away. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's like black by default. It's black border default. And then text transform uppercase. There we go. And then we're just going to do this one for the view. We got a background color of this, and then the food background color of swipe and color and there we go. Looks awesome. And then what can we do on this view? We want to cover this transition to 1.1 second. I don't know why I put this. I don't even know what that does. Maybe just 1 second. On cover, background color should be white, and this should be. There we go. Cover. Awesome. Now we're going to do the same thing, please. We can just copy this and just flip it. There we go. Okay, to put this inside of here, we're going to need to use animation. So, const. And we'll call this left and right because it's going to be moving left and right inside of there. Keyframes. And 0% for the background color. White. Position relative. Top. 14 pixels. Transform, translate, X. Forward, no, it's not like that. It's negative. Okay, we go to 100%. Background color. It's not popping up for some reason, so. There we go, and position relative like before, and Top, the same thing. It's gonna be the same setting. Transform, translate X to 435 or no, 430 because this is 430. So pretty much this is the same as this will be. Negative 14, so it'll be somewhere on top of here. And move it all the way back here. And then at 100%, it'll go to 430. We're at the moving across, we have animation. We got the animation name. Left and right. 4 seconds maybe. We have linear. We're gonna have it do it infinite amount of times and alternate. And then pretty cool. So it's changing it to orange, but since the background is orange, it's can't really see it. Let me fix this a little bit. Maybe 0.5. There we go, it's much better. Awesome. And then you do the same thing with the, I just want to change this to 5. So it'll go slower. But then we can do the same thing with the bar color. I'm gonna call it bar color. The bar is really just an HR, but I'm calling it bar. Not style keyframe. And we could do 0 or we could use from. It's the same thing. Background color. And then not color, border color. And then we go 2. This is basically the same thing as saying 0 to 100, just from 2. To white, border color, white. My computer just froze. Okay, there we go. And I want to go to HR, animation, name. We got to put a JavaScript expression. 5 seconds. Pretty much just copy this. Infinite. Alright. And let's refresh this. Okay, maybe 4 seconds will look better. I think it's kind of slow. That's much better. And now we can do the same thing to the restaurant. We can just come up here. From to and F2 go and delete this real quick because the animation will take over. JavaScript again. And we're gonna do 4 seconds, so like I'll get the animated time at the same. Let's copy it. We don't need to do alternate because we only go back and forth, so let's refresh. Okay, yeah, maybe we should do. Yeah, that's perfect. Now the word is matching the color of the barcode. So every time the barcode changes, that changes with it. Awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna change the font. The font does make a difference. It's a pretty big difference. So we're just gonna use a Google font. So I'm gonna have to put it in the index. So I already got it. We'll copy this. And just save it. Don't need that anymore. Again. This container. Font size. Font. And then I see what font it is. Okay, got the font. It's this font. Let's see. There we go. Looks awesome now. There's like a margin in between here. Let me see if I can fix that. Yeah, there we go. No. I think it's here. There we go. Now we got like no, I want a margin, so like maybe like 10 pixels. Maybe 20. Yeah. And then the buttons. Delete that. But we have a margin top. Or we could just give it a height. Hit the background color real quick. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. That'd just be too much. Get that. Let's not margin it. I try not to use margins that often, but there we go. Okay, now we just gonna want to do the nav bar. So, just close this out. Style nav. Go to the top. Right here, and put a font. Actually, it's gonna copy this. There we go. We can also make these texts bigger. Yes, I forgot to do that, so I'm just gonna text. Okay, there we go. Much better. Now it's more funny, so let's say 35. Yeah. Style zone. Each one is, there we go. Then let's put a B over here. Yes, 75, 7.5. And not the font size, 200 cells. That's 2.5. Okay, great. Open this another more, so we go. 630 outside, so copy this. Do another one, and 630. 2.5, keep going. I'm gonna fix this, so 5.7. There we go. Go here, 550. Just 2 line, so 16 times 2 pixels. 470, 1.5, 1.7. Okay, yeah, and then we'll have this, and we'll take HR. Action. We'll go this one. And done. I'll look at this one, that's a little. There we go. So wait till. So we can just window, resize, and then function. And then inside here we have inside here we have window, anyways, this last one. Okay, for this here, which one? Just gonna have the sliding outlet, you want that zone. And then pull that up, and you guys can have it. What was the name? Well, that, the layer. Let's have the border on. I don't know wrong with that. We'll process with that. Copy this. And then close mobile. And save this, copy this, put the top. And then copy this, put the top here, save. There we go. And then ready? We all over this. Yeah, we just need to right here. And then move the mouse. We start again. See? And then the ready. Awesome. We got this over here, so. Like this. That's perfect. And now see. 400 for the HTML outlet. This one. and 5, 6, 5. Okay, 6 more. Okay. Then 365. Yeah, that looks good. It's everything like so, let's see the buttons. Whatever. Okay, that's cool. So, yeah, let's load. So, that looks. There you go. Maybe more than. Another left. And then, we just right here. Okay, so, we got 20. And padding. And pixels right, bottom right, and 2 pixels right. There we go. That's 65. There we go. No, we check the mobile chip. There we go. Can I go like this? That's basically no one on that zone. Over here. We got 60 of this. It's like a zone. 60. We also better. There we go. No, I fixed it. It's not. Anyway, it's just not hard. It's just small. Okay, so those. There we go. 20. Then. Right here. Yeah, so better. It's wrong. There we go. And that's fine. That's fine. Here's not fine. So, you go first. You go first. Why not? Keep going. Keep going. So that's it. Now. So now this one. That's what you first. But. There we go. So you can see it on the device. You also on the device. On the top. Like so. And go to the top. And put this one under. And on this one. This one. This one. This one. That looks fresh. Okay, maybe. Push it under. Okay, breathing. Breathing. Yes, first. Keep on the side. Yes, first. I don't know. One more. Side this one. Yeah. This one. Oh, yeah, I can see. That's a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Alright. Okay, move this now. Move on now. Use same spacing. Like. Yeah, done. That's still on. How do I here? So if you're doing this, if I was you, I wouldn't actually use these media queries. I would just change the width to a percentage, like width 70%. So it'll be 70% on every device. I just did it an extremely hard way because I'm slow. Okay, I was playing with the code and I changed the A tag to a button. That's it. So now that's a button, not an A tag. And that's 2 media queries. And works on every device. Boom. Okay, I was playing with the code and I changed the A tag to a button. That's it. So now that's a button, not an A tag. And that's 2 media queries. And works on every device. Boom. Alright, so now we got that done. We can come back here, go to components, new file, and we can call this selection. I'm gonna close out everything else for now. And this will not be a use state because we're not going to change anything. So we can hold options in here. And now we use the use effect because we're about to contact the API, so we're gonna get some data. And we're gonna use asynchronous function. And we're gonna try, and we're gonna catch something. Now I'm just gonna come right here and look up the API I'm using. So, okay, we're gonna use this one. Give us some categories. You use whatever one you want. I'm just gonna use the categories. So okay, I'm back. My recording stopped, so I'm just gonna explain this. I didn't really add that much, but just we're adding a response. We're waiting, and we're using Axios to get the data in this URL, the JSON, and add a use state and copy the response.data.mills, and calling this once, and I'm console logging the mills. Oh, you call this the function outside of the function inside the use effect. I'm gonna put this back a little. Now we make another use state. We're gonna have this select. It's select. Use state equals use state. Turns to 1. This is gonna be default 1. And now we got the fragment. And we just save this for now. With the styles again. Oops, my bad. And type in container. Now we just import the container. Yeah, I don't know why I made me do all that. From styles, there we go. And now, now what I'm gonna do is come over here, come out the word const, and we'll call this button. Come over here and import it with that. This is where all the buttons gonna be at. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 of them. Alright, now keep editing these buttons. And now we got a set of buttons. Save us. We're gonna close this out. Now we got buttons. Pretty cool. What we could do is sign of these, so go back over here, sign the container. Like what I was using is display flex, so specify sign. There we go, another sign. And then we just do button. And margin left, maybe like 20. And then we have a padding of 15 pixels, 40. I'm actually put this back 10. There we go. Then we have a border radius. Leave the border outside. There we go. And what else? We get text transform equal uppercase, and cursor pointer, and we got the color to equal. I think it's DD5903. Now we just want the container to be black, so you can see the white. These are buttons that are white, so background color. There we go. Oh, it's 41. And now you have the ID of current. Because when we sorry, when we click on it, the ID will be current. So we'll be currently on beef. So from here we have background color to that color to this. I'll be doing outside of here. There we go. But we only want this ID if it's equal to 1. So if selected is equal to 1, it's strictly equal to 1. I just so it's equal to 1. So by default, if I change this, if it's equal to 2, it disappears. It disappears. No. No, you pretty much do the same thing always. Oops. It does this. And then we change this to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now once this is 2, this will be 2. This will be like if I change this to 3, the third one, this one will light up. Here we go. Now we can just come over here. At the bottom over here, we can let, because this is just going to be, we're not going to change this or anything, so we use let. So now food selection equals food choice, which is this. And now we can have a switch. If it's true, case food, select, is equal, oh no, it's select. Oh, select. Case select is equal, strictly equal to, and food selection is equal to food dot leave, food choice. Actually, I don't think we need this right here, we leave this, that, and then right, shift right, yeah. And then, we just copy this. And we just say that. Yeah, we actually want to default because they might go warning. So by default, of course, by default it's going to be build selection is going to be voice dot be. So when the base first loads, that is going to equal, and we want to break it, of course. And there we go. And then we just come right here, use a JavaScript expression, and just put food selected selection. Alright. And now by default it's beef. So there we go, and then not working. Oh yeah, we want to unclick first. Set selected. 1, let's do the rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. So refresh, default, speed, I'm gonna check in. Okay, we still getting beef. Okay, I found out what was wrong. Right here, we want to call this every time selected is changed. So every time we click on it, and now it should work. My bad. So refresh, default, beef. Now we should be chicken. Yeah, we get chicken now. Work, pasta. Yep, it's working. Awesome. Now we could go back to the silent and let's go make another one. We're gonna export it to. This is what the nose are gonna be. Style div. And I'm not gonna put that in yet because we haven't mapped it all out yet. But we're gonna put it right here. And then we can do the same thing again. This and just call it foods. Export that. Port it on top. Come down. And now this will be the middle section, but the foods will actually display the food. So when we map it like this, what do we call it? Mills. Alright, so we do mills dot map, and then we have mills in here. I'll just make a clone of the mills, and am I returning here? This is returning something. I should put the foods inside of here. There we go. And no. So here we have. Let me see this first. Okay. So inside here we can have an image with the source of. Actually, right here, I'm gonna have a key so we don't get any warnings. So the ID no. And then the source. Source is gonna be start. Done. That's what it's called. Weird name, but. And then we have a span. The name. Why do I keep saying Mills? Is it Mills? Oh yeah, they call it Mills. Okay. And then STR. Nope. Then BR and button. And I'm just gonna put .NET Nuts right now. And it should be getting displayed. Yeah, there we go. Switches. Pretty cool. So go back here and we go to styling and I call it the foods. Okay, foods is that. Mills is the background. Alright. Right here. We could display flex. I put it the default leaf flex direction in a row, and then we got flex wrap, just wrap, and justify content center, align item center, and let me try putting this inside here. Inside of here, we could have a width of 200 pixels. And we get text, align, center, and then left. 20 pixels. I should do something. Okay, maybe we should flex direction column to it. And you have a cursor pointer on it because we don't want it, and click on the image. And then we got an image tag to grab an image with 200, height, 100%, margin, bottom, maybe another 20, and then it's maybe I should try and put this below this. See if that works. Yeah, it does look better. Huh. But no, because it's still in the container, so put this back in the container. It's still part of it. Just don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Hold on. I gotta do it to the whole thing. The container. This should work. There we go. There, that's much better. Done. There we go. This name is making this go up. We'll fix that in like a minute. Jelly's names are making this go up. Let me just fix the color of the text first. What did I call it? Okay, spam. Now it's white. Okay, in order to fix the names right here, I have to use some JavaScript for us. So inside, before the return, from right here, we neaten this up. For some reason, my React doesn't like neaten up the code. Disgusting. But come right here and we'll say if bills dot length is greater than 23. I did 23 because I already did this before to see how many words it takes before it breaks off. What you can pretty much do is take one that's about to break off, like this right here. Copy this. Go to letter counter website right here. Copy this, and it'll count the letters. 37 in this case. So right when it's about to break off, just count it. I already did it. So come right here. What we could do is we got mills.strmil will equal mills.strmil.slice 0, 23. Always gonna have a plus. So pretty much if it goes past 23, it's gonna have these 3 dots. See, 3 dots. It's no longer like breaking off. This image isn't going on top no more. It's just perfectly in the center. If I would comment this out, let's see what happens. Okay. Now, I also want to use replace just to shorten it up some more, make it a little cleaner. You can use plus equals. I just don't like using that. And then we could do replace. So we're gonna replace anything with width in it with equal nothing. And replace thing with W in it equal nothing. And there we go. Now it's a lot shorter, a lot more breathable. And there we go. We come back over here. And to actually put like a random number that's going to generate each time, what you want to do is use math.random. I'm going to name this random number. And we can use math.random. I'm going to times it by 70. And then we can have a 2 fixed. So this is pretty much, let me actually just console log it. So console.log random. Refresh this. Okay, some reason I'm cannot read map. Okay, I'm back. I found the issue. I set this mill right here to have an array. So yeah. Not have like this, you don't have an error. I don't know why this error just popped up now, but yeah. And we go back down here. We can undo this. And now everything's back how it was. Go back here. And I want to be console log random number. No, refresh this. We get a random number. As you see it. But we get like random numbers. Like some of them have like 10 plus numbers. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna fix this. We want to use 2fix. So pretty much what 2fix does is it moves the decimal 2 places inside it. So now that was perfect. And now we can set delete this. And there we go. And we'll go back to the style. And I'm gonna move this to top about 20 pixels. Okay, I should padding it. Not moving, padding. Ah, there we go. And then I should move this. There we go. Wait a little more. That's better. Okay, now we can take the food image. Okay. On hover, you hover over this image. We have a transform. Go. 1.1. Now see a little bigger as you hover. There we go. And we got that animation. Take animation duration. Take 0.2 seconds. I guess you can't do it with that. It's weird. Maybe if I put it here. You can't do it, I guess. It's weird. And matter of fact, there we go. Top. That's just like this. And now maybe 12. There we go. What else can we do? We change the button. I think it's a button. Yeah, it's a button. So we come right here. What we're gonna do on this button is we're gonna have a background color, of course, a border of none, border radius 8 pixels, and color of 5903, a width of 100 pixels, a height of 40 maybe. And see how it looks. Okay, and a margin top of cursor pointer because we don't have a cursor on, I guess. Thought buttons automatically have one, but guess not. And then hover, color, and color, white when we hover. Pretty cool. Now we got the transition on that. Duration. We got it 0.35 seconds. You know, it's, yeah, that's nice. And we still have a console log in here somewhere. See if we can find it. There we go. I'll fix those in a minute. But I'm gonna go look for an icon. Oh, it got me an icon, and I'm down here. What the button is, and right about here. Put it in. We have an idea. Oh, I never imported it. So import from React. Oh, BS. You know. When this gets shorter, it's pretty cool. But when this gets shorter, like I'll say 1,050. I'm gonna make this shorter, so right here. Max width 1,050. Then we can have a padding 10 30. So that looks. Okay, maybe not. Oh, button. Is it done inside the button? There we go. Say 25. Then at like 8:30. A little more. Maybe. I won't do anything with the 20. Like 760, I'm just way done. And this would disappear at 760, so there we go. And then the mobile we're gonna have a mobile screen for that. So what we could do is we come right here, and we can just make a new style. We call this phone drop.js style, not important. Const phone display is equal to style.div export phone display. Hang on. I gotta import this in here, right in code inside the CSS file for styles. So I'm gonna put it right after this button. We're also gonna have comment right here called, just so I can remember, even though it says it. What I'm gonna put it here is a span of Dave. I'm gonna copy that 6 more times. Let me just change this. I determine. And there's one more. And we want media query. We want a min size. Midwest, my bad. And we want the right here. Display down because it'll show even if we're it'll still show. One, which is a color too. White. So 1, 2 is display done. So only display as soon as we come right here. Which is pretty cool. And then so we got that, and close this up real quick. And put this, I'm gonna call this dropped, because we're about to drop it. So display flex direction column, let's drop it. Here we go. And now we come right back up here, and we can have a span right here of the selected road. So I call it field select. Since we have it on port, it's on port. I see beef because we have it on beef. Now look right here. I'm gonna use one more window. Okay, I have no idea what just happened. Give me a second. That has never happened to me. Set this back up. My computer's just been slow. Okay, so we're back at it. And let me zoom in again. And then right below here, cons, I'm called this drop to false. So only when drop is true, we're gonna display this, so it's false. Right now, so it's not gonna display. It's gone. But unclick of that. I'm gonna div right here too. This mobile selection. And we can just put this inside of here with this. And unclick We really sucked. Opposite of printer. There we go. So this is pretty much toggling it on and off. So I click it, it's on, click again, it's off, on, off. And now we're just going here, copy this. Background color. Just do black now. There we go. Display, flex, justify, center, line, center, and okay. Now we got the cursor pointer on it. So now I click it, boom. Boom. And now we literally do the same thing. It's locked. So that's weird. Oh, so it's gonna be a big height, that's why. We do 200. And then each span. Margin, top, 10 pixels. And then we hover. I'm gonna get color. I forgot the color. There you go. And the cursor. There we go. And then we can do display, flex, and then align, center. And then we can have the height maybe 2. It's a lot better. And then right here we can change this color to this. There we go. And there's some HRs in here. Okay, and then we just want flex direction. Okay, let's take the HR. And then width of 100, 100, 70, 80. And we got the opacity of it's border color, I think, because it's where's the background color? I don't remember. Get it? 16.2. Padding. Top. There we go. And now let's do this for all these.
make this a little. There we go. There, it looks a lot better. Also have border, radius, top. Just do it like this. Yeah, maybe it's this one. Yeah, there we go. And then do the opposite on here. There we go. There we go. And now we come back here and unclick function and do we unclick? We can call an actual function in here. I just want to make multiple functions on top. I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to do it. That's selected 2, 1. This is going to be 1. And set drop, because it's a dropper we have, and then we got current. So we go to the opposite of current, but we can just put it false. We want it to be false when we click it. So just copy this pretty much. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now it's switching. And now in the styles, because we don't want to show that HR, so we can just actually just do it right here and here. If dropped. Oh, I put on the wrong one. I'm supposed to put on HR. There we go. Don't think I should be using this. There we go. And then I'm gonna have a drop icon, so I'll be back. Find a drop icon. And right here. Put it right here. So I thought error. So we'll put it in here. And there we go. Now we got it. Now we got a font size. So font size 30. maybe 20, 25. No, 30. 30 is good. 30. And then ID of rock. Where should be option? There we go. Seven. And since we're putting this in absolute, this will still be displayed in the middle, so we don't want that. So align should be erased, and margin left it. The span. Okay, we never grabbed the span, so it should open now. And there we go. And we try to put that in perfectly. So and there we go. Looks good to me. Now we gotta work inside. There we go. Yeah, this is not fine. Maybe we don't want to use position absolute. So you just delete this. Delete this, and align sign. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, maybe if I just align these together. Nope. How about if I just go to the span like that? Yeah, there we go. A lot better. What does that do? Ruby span. Wait, never seen that before. But align. Okay, we can change this background color to see what's going on. Oh, not this one. Right here. Okay, in order to fix this, the getaway, you can see this one, just make the white cover it, and should cover it's pretty good. Also, that's good. And the height should cover it too. Oh, the height's not doing anything. We don't really need the height anyway. And we can just justify content to the center. So move it to the center. And then use this white. Maybe a little more. Make it to where you want it. Okay. Alright, we do it another way, I guess. Is we could just put it to half. That. And then just put this behind. Let me just see how that looks. There we go. That's much better. I can't find another way to do it, so if you find a better way, then do it. And now I think it's just padding that's causing it. Yeah. Let's do padding top and bottom. Not this one. There we go, it's much better. And now we can take this. So let's go down a little more. Okay, let's just drop down. I named the ID drop down. So this one. Motive. Top. Maybe time. 4, 2, 3, 5. And maybe we should just go everything in here. See what happens. Okay, I got two different ones. I just do it to both. But text. Okay. Maybe we didn't even need this. Okay, and maybe a little more. Trying to make it perfectly on there, so okay, I was playing with it a little bit. All I did was change the I no longer had a width, and I just changed it to margin left, and now it's perfect. As you see, it's perfectly in the middle of everybody. But we could, since I use the width 130 here, I'm gonna use the width 130 here. There we go, and we got this HR. Oh, my bad. Yeah, 128 looks good. Now we can just test this on every device. Okay, I noticed something. It works fine, but this does not seem to be centered with this. So nothing a little margin can't fix. There we go. Looks much better now. Maybe 15. And there we go. Okay, to make the navbar sticky, want a position sticky, make it stay still. It actually won't work until you add its top to it. Just want the top to none. It's all the way to the top anyway. So yeah, and then there you go. And then when it reaches down to the bottom, it'll just disappear because it only goes as far as the component goes, which is pretty cool. You could. What we could do to the navbar to make it cooler. To make the navbar cooler. We could come right here and get the scroll position. Window dot scroll by. And then we can add a window. Add event listener. Scroll. And then we got a. We can actually put this inside of it. So. Now we can say if else. So we can say if scroll position is 30, for example. If it's greater than 30, we will const dark bar set dark bar use state false. And then we'll just set dark bar picture and we'll just set this to false. That's not. And so I scroll down to nav container. I'm gonna call this nav bar is gonna be equal to dark nav bar. Save that. And now the nav. There we go. And now we go nav container, and right here we could just add this 3. For some reason it's 3, and then no, we can just do the prop way. Prop way is easier. I think it is. Prop. We have props equal whatever we passed. That's true. If that's false. So if it's true, it's already false, it'll be that. But if it's true, it will be just black. Pretty sure I have to put these in like that. There we go. And that just turns black when it scrolls down. It's pretty cool. It just disappears. Yeah, pretty cool. And let's make this line table bigger. That's I know I should have finished the nav bar instead of keep going back. It's like text something. How do you uppercase this again? I forgot. I could have sworn I text uppercase this, but I just figured out how to uppercase how to. It's. Isn't that what I just did? It didn't pop up for me. Oh. Yeah, for some reason that didn't pop up. My CSS, but. So you guys got enough of me? Since I text uppercased it, I'm gonna have to make these smaller. No, I'm gonna leave it. That looks cool like that too. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay. Okay, now I can do the bottom stuff that goes down there. So we just want to close all this. Make a new one, and we call this reservation. And we're gonna put a fragment. We're gonna do styles. Same name. Another one too. Later. Now this will be the background image, and this will be darkener. It will like darken the background over. So I'm just gonna export both of them. And then we'll import both of these from styles. There we go. And then just wrap that around that and then have a fader. So this will be the background image. This will like fade it. So we could just expand. And then a div class name of designation inputs. This will be inputs. We got the form. It's gonna be a form. And then inside of here, we got the label with make this bigger. And our input with the type, number, placeholder, how many. And there we go. So the type number is to make it have a good number. We can go to it. Oh, we didn't. Hold on. We got an app import it. There we go. Now we just click on one of these to make it go up. And you can't click on any letters by default. That's pretty cool. And now make this bigger. Come back here. Close it out. And then we just keep copying those couple times. So right here is going to be start. No, select. And the type is going to be date. Not date, time. ID on here. Okay. That looks good. I don't placeholder. Actually, not gonna have a placeholder. It's a time. This one is gonna be email. Oh no, it's gonna be music. Then time young. This one's gonna be date. It was right before. It's gonna be date. No placeholder. It's not gonna be a placeholder. But it's on the ID of meeting. Okay. With the name of meeting. And we just have a name of date here. And we can just keep going. And then your name, capital N. And so I have a type of text, so text. And then I think it's email. with the type of email. And I don't need that. Actually, I might, I don't know, the placeholders, I'm just gonna put one. It doesn't show how I need it. Then you want text area, placeholder, message, and then we have a button with the type of submit, and so now we know what this should. So now we got all the types done. So okay, we move up, pick a date, pick a time, then just pick a random name, an email, and a phone number, and a message. Okay, everything's looking nice. Now we come back here. Okay, I got my image, so I'm just gonna come back over here, and I'm gonna copy this image into the image I made already. And boom, got that. Done. Just want to import the image. And we'll call image BG, image background, short. Back, image. There we go. And right here, we get this would just be the background, of course. It's like it says, background image, URL. Install components, you have to use the JavaScript, so you have to use the star sign with the money sign, and the bracket, and image BG. And then we got the background, repeat, no repeat. Then we got the background size of the cover. And you should be able to see it. There we go, we can see it. We don't want to make it cover everything, so we give it the height of 700 pixels. There we go, that's great. And give it a padding top just to move it so it doesn't get too close to the end because that looks bad. Maybe a margin. I'll fix that in a second. But that's all we want to do here. And later, this is what we're going to blacken out the image just to make it pop out more. So we'll make it black with 0.5. And now it looks black. It looks better right here. We just want to cover the whole thing. So cover the whole thing and just use height of 100% because it's already in this container. It should be fine. There we go. Perfect. Pretty much it's just using 100% of the parents' containers as well. And we got display, flex direction. Yeah, got a column because we don't want it to put in a row like that. We want it to just be normal. Not going to change. And then we got line items to the center. There we go. And the reason behind we're not going to justify this to the center because we don't want this to be. Sorry, we don't want this to be in the center here. We're going to margin it to make it like. I mean, we could. Actually, we're not. Yeah, we're not. Because I'll put it in the center and the span is 100. But what I do is get the span. The span is this right here. So we can change the color to the. I can find it. There we go. The font size. It's like 4.5 gram. Let's make it real big, bigger than anything on the screen. For some reason it's not big. What's this? Fader. Oh, it's RAM. Not RAM. There we go. So 4.5 RAM, 16 pixels is 1 RAM, so 16 times 4.5. That's how much font size is. And we have a margin because we want margin top of this. We don't want it to be exactly in the center. If we want it to be exactly in the center, just use justify content center. But we don't want it to. We can do like 30 pixels. 100. I'm gonna do 90. And pretty much it right now. We can take the reservation and put. Should call it a container, but this works good. We want width 700 pixels. The reason why we have a width is if we change the background color, but it's big like that. So when we put this in display flex, it would like it'll fit in this container. So now we're just gonna input inside of here width of 200 with the height of 40. That's big enough for me. And border radius about 5 pixels. And border done. And we have a padding left 10 pixels just to make the placeholder not be so close. And then we have a margin left 20 pixels. And this is gonna be hover on it. You get these outlines. Don't want it. Doesn't look cool. So in order to fix that, we go to on focus and outline. None. And that fixes it. Doesn't fix this one because this is an input. This is the text area. Right here is text area, not input. And that's it for input. And now this is gonna look weird, but we want to get every single last one. We want to get every single last input, pretty much. Every placeholder, every type, everything. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. Placeholder, text area, input, bracket, type, date, and time. Okay, since we got all the types that I could think of, but you see it here, got all the types and the text area and everything, placeholders, and everything. We just want to change this to color. Like that. Just change it all. There we go. Pretty cool. And that's really all we wanted to do in here. So, and then we get the input. This one right here. And then we want margin. We just do a regular margin of 20 pixels and 0 all around. That just spaces it out. And now we get the text area. And we have a width of, this will make the text area width bigger. And make the height like, there we go. And then we have a border radius, maybe like 5, not 10. And then border 1. Then we have a padding of 10 pixels all around. And I'll just keep the message right here to like move. See, I think. Oh yeah, we don't want the outline. So focus, outline, much better. And I'm just gonna make the color like that. So we type, it's the same color. Awesome. We may not need that. It's already all the same colors. Pretty cool. Move this. Oh, we will need it. Okay. We get out of here. And we could grab maybe the button next. Did I even add a button? Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay, to make these go on one line, I did add the form. Good, to go at the bottom. There we go. And now we can just come up here, called form, display flex, and it's just put it all in one line automatically. There we go. That's all in one line. But it's like broken, just say. It's just weird. And it's all the way over there. So we could by center and then flex wrap. And there we go, looking a little better already. We can also do the label real quick. So the label is this number here. Label, display flex again, justify, center, and color. We have it just white. And font size 1.2. And now it's way better, but this is right here for some reason. Can't find out why. Can't figure out why. Okay, I couldn't find a way to do this, so I just went over here to form and just made a new one, a new style. I exported it. I displayed flex column and just wrapped it around. Now it's in the column. Right here, as you see. And now in here we just type in the button. And then we got a width of 420 pixels, a height of 55. And there we go. Okay, we could align these. Now it's in the middle. Looking good. And we have a border radius of about 10 pixels. Border set to none. Background color of this one right here. And color F2 for white. So background would be orange, color would be white. And now let's just see it. That's cool. And we just do a margin, top 10 pixels, and cursor pointer. That's it. Oh, what? I don't know why I put it right here. Let's copy this and put it down. And there we go. And then when hovered, do a cursor pointer, do this, and transition about 1 second, no, maybe less, 0.5 seconds. And color, we should do the opposite of this. And that should be good. There we go. So now we just make this mobile friendly, try to see if we get any warnings. Yeah, we are fix that. But let's go here. I'm gonna say it's 760. So 760. Gotta find. There we go. You scroll up to here and have media query, max, and width. I gotta put these in. Width about, what did I say again? 760. And width of 300 pixels. Um, and then we just scroll down here to text area, and then have the width of maybe like 300, 400, 500. There we go, and do the same thing and the button. We have a width of maybe like, that's gonna be. And then we're gonna need one more media query. Let's get some mobile. $620. So at 620. My bad. We're on a width of 400, 300. And we have to put this down by one because it goes under. Here we go. And then right here we go to the image. So right here we go to height. And we can make the height go all the way down. So like 1,000. That's too far down, but maybe like 9. That's perfect. And right here we have a margin top of 0. Okay, maybe like 10. Okay, that's good. And then the text area, of course, right here, width of, we have a pixel thing? Yeah, that's good. And then the button of 400. That's height. With 400. Nope, 300. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, maybe like 80. Okay, I would do 250. Wait, 240. 240, and then come back up to here and do like 280. Like that looks better. And for some reason, this looks a little unaligned. So come right here. And some margin left. 20 pixels. Looks a lot better. Maybe 15. There we go. And now we're done. Up to the top. Click on this. And then we got different types of mills. And then boom. I can fix that real quick. So field selection, and we just have a padding top or padding bottom. You guys just delete this. And boom, and then we save it. So there we go. Okay, so let me show this one over here. So, yep. Alright, now we go back. Now we got all these working. Awesome. Boom, 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 boom. And then we scroll down. Got a spacer now. Ooh, I could change that. Yeah, that reservation is too big. Span. Was it this one? No, it's not this one. Oh, we're not in the right section. My bad. This one. Right here. Font size. We go through them. So that looks 3.4. Let's see. That was perfect. And you just type into these down, book, and it sends you to the top. Awesome. Okay, maybe this is way too spread apart, so we're going back to home. All I did was put the highest max width on top, the lowest at bottom. Like this one should. I don't think we need this one. Same thing as this one, so let's just delete that. Can't do anything. Yeah. So the highest goes on top. This one can get removed too, which is the same thing. I don't know what I was doing, but that should be fine. And we're done. Okay, I changed this to this one to 130 because if you just did 100, those frost, I think it's much better like that. Much cleaner in my opinion. Probably change the font size, I think you get. Say 15, it's good. Let's go back to 320. Right here. And there we go. Oh, right, right. 5, so you can see it still. And okay. Maybe if I make this smaller. There we go. Well, I guess 12. That's all that's gonna fit right there. And so as good as it's gonna get, so. Maybe like 120. See how it looks here. I need advice. Maybe I'll make a new one at 360. I'm gonna change this to 20, maybe 15, and then that looks better than me. And pretty much done. Trying to see what it looks like here. Even though this isn't really accurate, as accurate as the app I was using, but still pretty accurate. Wait, let me see if there's any sides. I forgot to see. Okay, there's a side. I don't know where though it's coming from. Okay, there's no side on here. That's good. No side on here. No side on here. No side on here. There's a side on here for some reason. And here. So there's these two. 390. Wonder why it's a side. So let me try to count these all out and see if it's still a side. Refresh. Yep, still a side. So that has nothing to do with that. Probably got something to do with. I'm just about to comment all this out. So it has nothing to do with that. Sit for preservation. Nothing to do with that. There's nothing to do with that. That's it, it's us. Nothing to do with that. See if it's the home. Yeah, it's somewhere in here that's causing it. So my guess is somewhere right here. Look, my guess is wrong. Okay, so that's the buttons. Should we comment this out? Disappears. So that's why 390. It's this one right here. So Maybe. Where's one of these? This one? Okay, there we go. I fixed it. The buttons was too big. It's going to the edge, I guess. So. So now we're done. It's pretty much done now. When we scroll down, it'll turn black. And then, once we get too far down, disappear. We also pick one of these. That's how it looks on mobile.